Hey guys, welcome back here. This is Verified Drops. Okay, we have a new airdrop here today, which is the SedX airdrop. Okay, so let's get into this video. We enter our Chrome browser and click on this dashboard up there. Enter the seedx.app/airdrop. I'll be sharing the link to participate in this airdrop in the description section. Okay, so after this, we connect our wallet with this website. We click on that wallet like icon up there to connect it. After we connect that, we need to do something else, which is to click on this ongoing bar up there. We click on ongoing, it brings this out, so we need to follow this their Twitter handle there. We click on the link, we follow. After following, we come back here, we enter our Twitter username that we used in following this their Twitter handle. Once we do that, we click on this, but let's enter our Twitter handle first. Okay, we enter at NFT equal. Okay, at NFT equal. Okay, we click on the follow. Okay, it's trying to confirm. Okay, it follows you. Okay, after that, we see that it's only 50 SEEDx token we can receive or claim. So we click on claim. We click on the wallet one who connects it with the one we connected with. So we use Trust Wallet just once. Okay, so we can see here that we need a BNB gas fee, smart chain, $0.28 worth. Okay, we click on approve. Okay, loading. Okay, so it's trying to confirm that. Okay, done successfully. So we see that it will take us 360 days to get the complete of this 50 SEEDx token. We redeem it each day, or we can redeem it anytime we want. So it keep on mining itself or increasing itself until it's completely 50. After 360 days, then we get it. And as we are redeeming, it enters our wallet directly, so there's nothing to fear or anything like that. Okay, now we can redeem this after we see that it has gotten to a desirable amount that we really want. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Until next time, guys, peace.